Hello, this is Mosh. Welcome to this video. I'm very excited to have you here because in this video we will share how you can make $100 per hour to $200 per hour leveraging two websites. Well, the strategy I'm going to show you can work in any other website. So you can make money using this strategy. So I want you to focus fully and watch the full video to learn the full strategy so you can take advantage of this strategy and start making money from today. As usual, we will be giving away our AI softwares that will help you get there easy peasy fast. Links will be in the description. And without further ado, we should start right now. But before that, hit the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts so they are also helped with this information and education. And you will look cool in front of them because you are trying to help them make money. And who doesn't need money? Everybody does. So let's jump right in. We are talking about Canva and Etsy. Don't worry, you don't need a skill, you don't need a website, and you don't need experience. You can start today. We have a lot to share and we will share step by step. Let's go to my screen. We are on Canva. Right. So Canva is basically a freemium software. You can start using it for free, and the number of templates, number of resources they have is mind-blowing. You can start making money without paying. But in case you want to take full advantage of it, you should subscribe to the paid version. It's very cheap. It's not that pricey. But let's begin what we are talking about here. So Canva is very popular and we are going to take advantage of their popularity. If we look at their traffic analytics, they have very steady 266 million monthly visitors. A lot of them are coming from search engines, which means people know about them and they search directly about Canva. So this is what happens. People don't really search Canva. What they do is they forget canva.com or they just Google Canva and Canva shows up and they click, they go to Canva this way. And these analytics softwares take this as search terms. So basically what I meant to say, a lot of people already know about Canva. They are so popular. So now we want to see whether they are something that we can sell without using skills, right? And without taking any time. One of my most popular websites is Etsy.com. Now I know Etsy is not available in a lot of countries. Don't worry about it. Stick to the end of the video because I will show you other websites where you can use this. And basically this is all about strategy. Once you know how to use this strategy, how to use these steps, you can use the same steps, find out more opportunities, find out more platforms and websites that you can make money from. So take this as an example, even if this doesn't work in your country. So I want to search with Canva and Canva. Let's see what happens. And guess what? I found a lot of 50 real estate Instagram posts, social media, okay, 30 pastel colorful Canva Instagram. All right, this is awesome. We have Instagram post templates Canva. Okay, let's check it out. Looks like they sold a lot. All right, I can see they have total 33,779 sales. Now, approximately their average sale price is $15.75. Let's take $15. So 33,779 times 15.75 equals $532,000. So these guys basically made $500,000 selling this Canva templates. Well, maybe they have sold a lot of stuff, but they are basically these kind of templates and digital stuff. So it's completely digital. It's a template. Look at this. Instagram post templates, Canva, boho codes for Instagram, creative Instagram templates, Canva designs, bright Instagram, blog pixie. Wow. Now let's go to Canva And if you search for templates, there are a lot of Instagram posts and Instagram stories. Look at this, all these Instagram templates. Wow, here are the steps. When you found a market like this, that people are buying a lot of something that is available in template mode, first go and check what people are buying, how they look like. So we see these are the type of templates people are buying, and it's a best seller. We want to check other designs as well. Pick one design, come back to Canva and find a similar design. Let's say this color or this color, which seems similar to me, and this color, and make templates like this. Now again, I told you, you don't need skill. Wait for me. Open. Once you open, you see so many other options. You can download them and sell if you can. But in my opinion, you should put a little more effort to customize this template. So click customize this template and you can customize. Customizing this template or any Canva template is very easy. Why? Because Canva is very popular. A lot of Canva related tutorials are there on YouTube. If you use YouTube, you can become master at anything. So look at this. So many tutorials. They are all experts. Well, probably they are not all are experts, but they will show you how to modify a template and create your own template. Besides, Canva has their own channels, blog, even Canva Instagram. Visit Canva Instagram. You will learn so much, which is mind-blowing. Everything you learn, don't waste your time. Put that time immediately into creating a template and start selling on Etsy. Now you might say, okay, now this is the question. You don't know how to sell in Etsy. Selling in Etsy is extremely easy. You need to know how Etsy traffic and Etsy search works. For that, you should look for Etsy SEO. And then you can go for 2022, maybe just go for Etsy SEO and check the latest tutorials. In Etsy, basically, when you are creating the listing or the post, the keywords you are using, your target keywords should be on the title, on the tags, and in the description. Go through these tutorials. First, one or two will give you clear concept about how to do it. Now look at this. Etsy has so much traffic, 480 million traffic. And all this traffic are direct traffic. They're already on Etsy. And a lot of people are searching for stuff and finding Etsy. Look at this. People are searching for Etsy and going to Etsy. So Etsy already has a lot of traffic. And since you see all these Instagram template sellers are already selling, you will be able to sell too. Now I told you about other markets, and I also told you about you don't need your own skill. Fiverr, one of my most favorites because I literally buy everything from Fiverr and I literally sell everything on Fiverr. Anyways, go for Canva and see how many people are selling Canva templates. Okay, let's look at this. I will design Canva templates for your social media post. The standard average sell price, let's say 40. 535 is approximately 5% of the total number of sales. 535 multiplied by 20 times average price 40. So they sold almost 500,000 on Fiverr, the same Canva templates. Now, two things you can do. Number one, wherever you are from, if Etsy doesn't work in your place, come to Fiverr and sell your Canva templates. This is one way to do that. Now the passive income. If you don't have time and you are more business minded than doing yourself minded, you get things done instead of do it yourself, then come back to Fiverr or any other freelancing sites and hire designers, high quality at a cheaper price, and you will find thousands of Canva designers. Because Canva is so popular, a lot of people already know about Canva and they are skilled, they are experts in Canva. Make templates at a cheaper price and sell on Etsy or Fiverr. Or you can do one more thing. It will not work every time, but will work in a lot of times. You can partner up with graphic designers and split the revenue with them. Why it doesn't work all the time? Because a lot of graphic designers are freelancers. They want to get paid instantly. but there are business-minded graphic designers as well. They will agree with you. You do the selling part, they do the creation part. This way, you can both win. Now, finally, let's say you are selling either on Fiverr or on Etsy or anywhere else. You might need traffic. Link in the description will give you my traffic software. Go get it. I love Pinterest for traffic. Pinterest has around a billion, B for bat, B for ball, a billion monthly visitors. And Pinterest allows you to get traffic just by posting images. And Pinterest is the only place where the links are directly connected to the images you post. Example, this one. Look at this. You see this little arrow and text? This is a link. Look at here. This is a link. Now let me show you a website that gets traffic from Pinterest. You can get traffic from Pinterest. I searched with Canva and I found Canva painting ideas. And then I came to this website, wattpad.com. I'm not sure, probably it's a device, but you know, they have 183 million monthly visitors and they have a lot of 7% social traffic. Look at the traffic, yay, 45%, 3.5% of 183 million monthly visitors are from Pinterest. So yes, Pinterest is awesome. Go ahead, create blogs like this using my software, link in the description, and use my other software to automatically share your content to Pinterest, all done automatically, hands-free. You don't have to do anything at all, just set and forget. And Pinterest will drive traffic to you. Simple images like this can drive you enormous traffic. Yeah, go do it. Did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you get notified when we will upload our next video. And hit the share button and share this video with your social media contacts and friends and family, everyone you know, so they also get help and learn how to make money online. And we will see you in the next video.